Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the ray diagrams for the formation of different types of images by a concave mirror. Till now we have discussed about the rules. To have a recap, rule 1, when a light ray is parallel to principal axis, it passes through focus. This is rule 1. Rule 2 is if a light ray is passing through the center of curvature of either a concave or a convex mirror, it reflects back along the same path. And the third rule is a ray of light passing through the focus in a concave converges at focus, and for a convex mirror it's parallel to principal axis after reflection. Then if fourth rule was, if a ray of light is incident at a pole of a spherical mirror, it gets reflected back along the path such that the angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. By using these four rules, out of this any two, as you know, in mathematics you have studied about that for a line to get intersect we require at least two lines. So in the same case here also, to see about the ray diagrams for the formation of different types of images by a concave or a convex mirror, we have to use at least two rules so that the point of intersection we will get and we can able to have the image formed. So today we are going to discuss about the ray diagrams for the formation of different types of images by a concave mirror. In this case we are going to see about what is the position, size and nature of the image formed by a concave mirror depend upon the distance of the object from the pole of the mirror. We can place the object at different positions from the concave mirror to get different types of images. Some important cases are as follows, which you can see here. There are 6 cases for a concave mirror: at infinity, beyond center of curvature, at center of curvature, between center of curvature and focus, and at F, that is focus, between pole and focus. These are the places where we will be keeping the object and then we will be seeing the image formed. So in the first case we will be keeping the object at infinity, means object is kept at infinity, and the image formed we are going to see here. The image formed will be real and inverted, highly diminished point size, and it will be formed at focus. As you can see, these are the two rays. These are the two rays which you can see, which is coming from infinity. When it is striking it on the mirror, it is reflecting back in this manner and these two lines are meeting at this point and the image formed is at focus. Clear? The same we can draw here. You can also draw using your pencil and scale. Like if suppose we have taken this as a concave mirror, in this concave mirror this will be a principal axis and we will be taking the two rays which is parallel. Either we can have parallel lines, like if suppose we are keeping an object beyond principal axis, that is at infinity, so parallel to principal axis, this will be the center of curvature, this is focus, so it will be passing through focus. In the same manner here also, parallel to principal axis passes through focus, so the point formed is at focus. Here is the image formed. Image formed is at focus. This is the one type. You can do it using the scale. Like when we have studied about the plane mirrors, for to get understand we will be using the top and bottom images to be used. So this is how, this is the second method which you can use. The first method is in this manner. You can take two parallel rays, then they will be intersecting it, and this is one more method wherein we will be using it at infinity. Beyond principal axis, when we are talking about, it will be at infinity. Then second is beyond C, means beyond center of curvature. As you can see in the figure, this is a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. In this concave mirror, this is center of curvature, this is focus, and we have kept an object here at beyond center of curvature. So parallel to principal axis, rule 1, parallel to principal axis passes through focus. In the same manner, second we have taken as passing through center of curvature, they will be reflecting it back, and these two lines are intersecting at this point, so that will be our image form. So this we call so the object form image formed is between F and C. The image formed is real and inverted because it is downwards, and between F and C, and it is diminished. We can draw it, this image once again. Like this is your concave mirror. In this concave mirror, this will be the principal axis, this will be the pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. We are keeping an object at beyond center of curvature here. Then we can able to draw, this is the image kept. So parallel to principal axis, it will be passing through focus. Then we will be having passing through center of curvature here, it will be reflecting back. So the image formed will be here for us. The image formed is here, where this two line of intersection will be taking place. Here will be the image formed. So image formed will be here. This is how the image formed is between center of curvature and focus. Second case is formation of different types of images of a concave mirror at focus. If you are keeping an object as focus, how it will be there? The image formed will be real, inverted, and at infinity highly diminished. So this is how we will be keeping the object at focus. So parallel to principal axis passes through focus, then passing through center of curvature, it will be reflecting it back same. If we see these two lines are parallel to each other, so the image formed will be here at infinity. This is are almost parallel, so they are not going to meet here. There are some less, so they can be drawn like this, and somewhere else here the image will be formed and it will be highly magnified. So the same we can draw here also. A concave mirror here, principal axis, parallel to principal axis, this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. We have kept an object at focus. So parallel to principal axis passes through focus, and then if we are passing it through center of curvature, then these two rays are almost parallel, so they will not be meeting it, but these two rays somewhere else they will be meeting it. So the image formed will be at infinity. Next is between F and P. This is the important case which you have to keep it in mind. This is the one wherein we will be observing it when you go to a salon, or if you see a makeup artist, they will be using this image formation, wherein we will be keeping an object between pole and focus, and the image formed will be virtual and erect. It will be behind the mirror and magnified. This is only the one case wherein we will be getting an virtual and erect image. Rest all 5 cases will be real and inverted, and in concave mirror this is only the one case which we will be getting it in. This is the one which will be only case where we will be getting a virtual and erect image. Rest all are real and inverted images. So how to draw this one? So this is a concave mirror. This will be parallel principal axis. Now we will be, this is a pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Now if we are keeping an object here between pole and focus, this is our object, and now parallel to principal axis passes through focus. The same way, if we are using it passing through center of curvature, and here passing it through center of curvature in this manner, touching to its head, it has to move, passing through center of curvature. If you see here, these two lines, this sides this side, this is almost parallel, but here something is there. So what we can do, we can extend this line. If we are extending this line, they are going to meet at this point. So at this place the image is going to form. So this we call it as virtual and erect. Erect image. At infinity, if we are keeping an object at infinity, the image formed will be real and inverted, highly diminished. It will be of point size, formed at focus. So these are the two lines which you can see. These are the parallel lines. The image formed will be at focus. So here we can draw the same. Second is beyond center of curvature. If we are keeping the object beyond center of curvature, this is repeated. Then formation of different images by a concave mirror. Okay. So we can able to see the next remaining cases in the next class. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Practice for the papers, practice for the diagrams at home.